Have you ever noticed how the world just disappears the moment you pick up your hook? It's a strange kind of magic. Most people see a ball of yarn, but we see 1,000 possibilities. We see a legacy. When I start a new bedspread, it's not about the destination. It's about the rhythm, the soft sliding of the wool against the hook, the repetitive dance of the fingers. It's my meditation. In every loop, I'm breathing out the stress of the day and breathing in a new kind of peace. This isn't just a hobby. It's where my heart finds its home. Look closely at these hexagonal motifs. Each one is a tiny universe. Each starburst and geometric tile was born from a moment of intense focus. A machine could never do this. A machine doesn't have feeling. It doesn't know how to adjust the tension when the yarn gets a little thinner, or how to put extra love into a 3-tiered braided ruffle so it drapes perfectly over the edge of the bed. When you touch this fabric, you aren't just touching wool. You're touching a human spirit that refused to be rushed. Imagine walking into your room at the end of a long, exhausting day. The sun is setting, casting a golden glow over your bed. You see the textures, the tassels swaying gently, the intricate lace curtains letting in the soft light. This is your sanctuary. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed. Shouldn't that space be wrapped in something meaningful? This crochet bedding isn't just decor. It's a hug you've prepared for yourself. It's the weight of handcrafted luxury that says, you are worth the time it took to make this. Every time I weave in a loose end, I'm weaving in a wish for your comfort. They say that if you listen closely to the rhythm of a crochet hook, you can hear the heartbeat of the maker. It's a quiet language, spoken in loops and chains. When I sit down with my yarn, I'm not just making a bedspread. I'm weaving together the fragments of my day. Every time the hook catches the thread, it's a moment of choice. A choice to be patient. A choice to be present. In a world that is constantly rushing, this is my way of slowing down. It's my way of saying, I am here. Look at the way these colors merge. These aren't just shades of blue or gold. They are memories of the sea and the sun. Look at these intricate textures, the raised stitches, the delicate lace borders. A machine can replicate a pattern, but it can never replicate the soul. It doesn't know the feeling of completing that final row after midnight, or the pride of seeing a simple string transform into a masterpiece of comfort. This is artisanal luxury, refused to be mass-produced. It is unique, just like the home it's meant for. To my fellow crochet lovers, you know the struggle of the one more row at midnight. You know the pride of seeing a pile of yarn transform into a masterpiece.